You're probably thinking these videos were made with Veo3. Nope, not even close. I created them using a brand new, completely free text-to-video tool that beats Veo3 hands down. It's called Seedence, also known as Dreamina 3.0, and it's the latest AI powerhouse from ByteDance, the creators of TikTok and CapCut. And yes, the internet is going wild over it. This AI tool not only rivals Google's Veo3, it beats it in many ways. Best part? It's totally free. Depending on your region, you might need a VPN, but don't worry. I'll walk you through exactly how to get access. Some VPNs may still show a coming soon message, but others unlock full functionality, and I'll show you which ones work. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to start making jaw-dropping videos with Seedence 1.0, and the link is waiting for you in the description below. Visit the link in the description box. You should see a page like this. If you're in a region or a country where this awesome AI tool isn't available yet, you'll see a coming soon error. But don't worry, I have got you covered. But before we fix this issue, take a look at some great AI contents created with this AI tool. Aren't they beautiful? I'm certain you can't wait to create one yourself. Let's solve the coming soon error then, starting from those of you using your smartphone before we proceed to those using computers. Open the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store and search for Thunder VPN. Download this VPN and install. Once the installation is done, launch the app and select United Kingdom and connect to the server. Now go back to the Seedence website and refresh the page. The coming soon error shouldn't be showing again, leaving all the features available and ready to use. Now those using computers, open a new tab in your browser and search for hide.me VPN. I'll leave the link in the description too. You can click on it and access it. Hide.me VPN is a very powerful and free VPN. Download the Windows version if you are on PC or Mac OS for those using Mac. Install the exe file and connect the VPN after the installation is done. Go back to the Seedence website and reload the page. All the features of this tool should be available and ready to use now. Let's create an account on the website. I'll just continue with my Google account. I believe that's the easiest. Select your date of birth and accept everything being thrown at you. As you can see, I have already created videos with this tool. Now let's start creating by giving it a prompt. I'll leave the prompts in the description box. You can copy and use for your own videos or ask ChatGPT to write you a prompt. I'll copy my prompt and paste it here. I'll leave the version in Video 3.0, which is the latest version. Select a duration. It could be 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and select an aspect ratio. Now click on Generate. Seedence will start processing your video. Voila, our video is ready. We download onto our device now. That's how easy it is to create a video with Seedence 1.0 or Dreamina 3.0. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a full tutorial on this AI tool. There you have it, the best free Google Veo3 alternative. If this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell somebody about Nyarko Wiz. Bis später.